Hello and welcome back to Mrs. Hewitt's Spelling at Home. Today we're going to look at a letter string that comes at the end of some words, and it is this. It is O-M-E, and you can see here that I have put your split O there to make the O sound. So that says ohm. Okay, so ohm isn't a word on its own, but it does come at the end of a couple of words. Here it comes on the end of this word, home, and I wonder if you can think of any more words that end in ohm. Pause the video and see if you can think of a couple more words. Okay, you might have come up with this one, which is ohm, dome. You might also have said gnome, like a garden gnome, okay? Now, the reason I have chosen to do the ohm is that there are two sight words that you need to learn just from looking at them, because you can't use your phonics, but they do have the O-M-E letter string in them, and they are words that you use quite a lot, okay? So we've got this word here, and that is the word some. Now, this is a tricky one because you can't use your phonics, because if you were sounding that out, you would do soam, wouldn't you? But it doesn't say soam. There is no such word as soam. So that is the word some. And you're probably quite good at reading that word by now, because you would have seen it in lots of things. But when you come to spell it, lots and lots of children do with a U in the middle. So, and that's a sum that you have in maths. If you're doing some adding, that's how you spell that sum. So this is how you spell some, like I was eating some sweets. Okay, so see if you can just write that down now, write that word down and say some as you write it down. So literally write it, say some, write it down. And rhyming with that, we've got a similar one, and it is this one, which is the word come. Okay, and again, that you cannot use your phonics for that, because it sounds like it has a U in it with an sound, doesn't it? So this is the word come. Okay, so these are the opposites of what we have just learned with this. Now, I always remember, or I always tell my children to remember, some and come by thinking about come home, because we say that quite a lot. Oh, come home. Now, if we know how to spell home, we can remember how to spell come, because it's the same ending, even though it sounds differently. So if you remember come home as a spelling pattern, that might help you remember how to spell those words some and come. Okay, now I have written a sentence for you, so you're going to read this and then you can have a go at writing your own sentence at home. Okay, so have a look at that one, see if you can read that. Okay, we'll sound it out. So I've got here waited, so waited. We've got that ed suffix, waited for my cat to, here we are, come home. So we've got both sounds of the same grapheme there, different sounds but the same writing. I waited for my cat to come home. So there we go. So you've got those ohm words and the words, but all of them are spelt with the O-M-E ending. You pick a couple, go and write your sentence, and then you are done for today. Thank you, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.